brought this crisis? The government, this present government is the one that caused the crisis.
By refusing to...
By neglecting their politicians.
But the governor has repeatedly said that the politicians are constantly demanding money from him.
Okay, now...
That is the issue that he has.
Now, I'm knowing you today. And you are a press man. You came today, you said you want to interview me. Now, if you are a governor, I work for you. Today I come, I say, please, governor, my children have not paid school fee, you give me money. Tomorrow, I will come and meet you, governor, I don't have soup at home. Will you listen to me?
No.
In politics, where he wrong, where he make the mistake, there are some job you use in engaging politicians. This job are board, committee. The real resources is coming from somewhere. If the governor is not having his stress because of lack of incoming financial money, the governor can sit on the board. If you are a chairman of social committee, this is your target, and this is your memorandum with this government. This is your target. This is the way and manner you should apply your duty. You to perform on your duty. I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
Because he want to take everything, different board that they use in engaging politicians, he took it to the extent they wanted to took POS to market women. You look at, he didn't even want a drop to fall on ground because he want to take everything. A good governor we pretend as first tenor. Then second tenor, he will not bring his character. Because of greed, this man took everything. Normally we have a board, we have a Ministry of Agric, there's a law board there, we have a protection there. It's not that now because we were not, politics is not coming close to the door. He now started giving SSA, started opening board. How long are you going? What have you benefit? And listen to the people that are joining him in now. What they benefited from Izeyamu and Oshomole's government, they cannot vow that they benefited. I could remember vividly when they were swearing in the commissioner. May God forbid bad if I have opportunity to be a governor. I will not tell my commissioner that. He said, now you are coming as a commissioner. You are rich. Now that you are coming to this government, know that you are going to be poor. Wow. I say, wow. In life, you people that is watching me, some people that is supporting him that because he didn't give you money. No. If you labor for somebody as you are playing in politics, may that person shut the door against you so that you feel the impact and what it takes. I swear to God, with the APC Kakare member, with the APC, when you test our blood, it's APC. We are like a senior opposition in our own state when we have our incumbent government. When we work for, continuity. So my brother, there's no need to lie. I swear to God, they are waiting for a person that is a politician to emerge like Izeyamu. You will see how people will deflect.